So that will be a short ride today because I want to do a stop in the city of Timisoara in Romania. So it's just 160 kilometers, and I do a break over there. Here we are, Romania border, and there's nobody.
Hello.
Attends, je te vois pas. Ah, tu veux que j'enlève le casque? D'habitude, ils s'en foutent. As soon as I enter Romania, it's raining. Yeah.
Electric?
Yes, fully electric.
From where is made it?
US.
Now how much money you spend on it?
Oh, how much money? 20,000.
Like a car?
Yes. Thank you.
Welcome. Have a nice day.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Another 50 kilometers and I am in Timisoara.